Did you know that the average cruise vacation can cost upwards of $2,000 per person? That's like buying a small island, but without the island, and that's just the starting price. But don't worry, we've got some DIY tips that can dramatically reduce those costs. Think of it as your treasure map to savings. From booking secrets to onboard hacks, we've got you covered. In this video, you'll discover how to cruise like a pro without breaking the bank. Get ready to sail away with a smile. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, these tips will help you save big and enjoy more. In today's video, viewers will learn some amazing DIY cruise tips that could save them hundreds, if not thousands, on their next adventure. Whether it's their first cruise or they're seasoned sailors looking to cut costs, these popular money-saving hacks are being put to the test. From reducing onboard expenses to finding affordable excursions, this video will show how these tips stack up, helping travelers maximize their cruise budget without sacrificing any fun. One of the biggest challenges for budget-conscious cruisers is the accumulation of hidden fees. From costly drink packages and specialty dining to expensive shore excursions and onboard activities, expenses can quickly add up. On top of that, cruise lines often lure passengers with luxury upgrades and exclusive offers that can easily blow a budget. This video addresses how to enjoy an incredible cruise experience without all the extra costs. The DIY tips being tested aim to offer solutions to these common money pitfalls, helping viewers see what really works. The first tip explored is to bring your own drinks. Many cruise lines allow a limited amount of beverages on board, so instead of paying for expensive drink packages, travelers can bring their own. The savings are immediate, with some managing to save nearly $200 by simply avoiding onboard bar prices. Quick tip: always check with the specific cruise line to see what beverages are permitted. Next, the video dives into skipping pricey excursions and booking independently. Instead of paying hundreds for cruise organized tours, the host researched and booked directly with local guides. Not only were the excursions more affordable, but they also provided a more authentic experience at each port. Another tip test is prepaying for internet. Instead of purchasing the ship's costly Wi-Fi plan, the host found free Wi-Fi spots at various destinations and used apps that work offline, ensuring connectivity without high costs. Lastly, the importance of budgeting onboard spending is highlighted. By setting a strict budget and sticking to it, avoiding impulse purchases and the casino, travelers can make small adjustments that have a huge impact on overall spending. The most effective tip: bringing your own beverages and snacks. This strategy not only saved money on alcohol, but also avoided late-night room service fees by providing personal snacks. This one hack alone led to savings of over $300 without compromising the cruise experience. The host still enjoyed all the ship had to offer, but on a much more budget-friendly basis. To wrap things up, here's a quick recap of the top money-saving tips: bringing your own drinks, booking independent excursions, prepaying for internet, and setting a strict onboard budget. These simple DIY strategies allowed for significant savings, with the host managing to save over $500. Anyone planning a cruise can benefit from these tips to make the most of their trip without overspending. Viewers are encouraged to try these hacks themselves and share their own tips in the comments. Safe travels and happy cruising. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and tricks.